Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Spellbinders April 2026 Clubs of the Month. And let's get straight into our small die of the month called Pansy Seed Co. I love this die set. I think pansies are gorgeous, or maybe they're little violas, but to me they look like pansies. This is a very pretty set of dies, and I think this is my very favouriteest product of the month. So you can see it makes those beautiful, happy pansies. The colours that you're going to be able to create them in is so varied, and that gives you the opportunity to make cards and projects for all different occasions. Market Tote is the name of our large die of the month, and we get the opportunity to make another bag and fill it full of all the goodies that we might buy from the supermarket or your grocery store. Now, of course, you can use this bag and fill it with whatever you like that you have in your stash. Now, the embossing folders have been used to put texture onto the bag, and that is a brilliant idea. But of course, you can leave your bag plain, or you can use patterned paper, and of course you can go ahead and decorate your bag just like that one there. And again, you can turn this into a 3D product. Now, our stitching dies of the month is called Rooting for You. Now, this is a funny little die set, and I love that they included the eyes for the little vegetables. You can see carrot and what I think is a beetroot and an onion, maybe it's a spring onion, and you can have them being very whimsical little characters, or you can turn them and leave them as the vegetables that we all know. Now, how you use these are going to be completely up to you. Maybe not for everybody, but I do think they're rather cute once you pop those little eyes on them. It gives them that human quality. Our press and foil of the month is called the Seed Co. Border. And you'll see here there is a large full A2 panel, as well as lots of sentiments and the dies to cut those out. And the sentiments, of course, are quite punny for some to go along with the theme of this month's kits. Now, you can see just the delicate, intricate border that this better press plate and foil plate puts onto your project, and it's going to be really useful for any number of projects, any number of themes. It just gives that gorgeous vocal to your center point. The stencil of the month is called Market Berries, and I really like this one as well. I know we've had cherries in the past, but now we've got our layered stencil of strawberries and the little blooms that go with it. Now, you're going to know exactly what you want to use this for. You've got such a lovely repeating pattern, but don't forget your other products that are in this month's kit. You're going to be able to take the strawberries or flowers and add more dimension and decoration to your cardstock panels. So that's a very neat little idea to include. Our stamp and die of the month is called Fresh Packed, and this is a clever little set as well. So you're getting the stamps to make all our bag ingredients or accoutrements, and then you're getting a die that will cut out like a string bag, and I think it's a very cute idea. Now, of course, you don't have to stick with just what's in this stamp set. You can go ahead and add whatever you like, whether it's stamped, foiled, better pressed, or other die cuts, and place that into your bag as well. Now, Market Weave is our embossing folder of the month, and this has got a very sort of generic feel in that you're going to have lots of options to use this embossing folder for lots of different projects, and it's just simply going to complement what you put on top of it or add that extra interest into any of the detail parts that you want to emboss. So I think this will be a very handy embossing folder to have in your collection. Our 3D embossing folder of the month is Market Crates, and this one's really interesting. I wasn't sure to start with, but the more I see it, the more I appreciate the detail and the layered pieces of timber in it that make up almost like the farmer's crates that your produce might arrive in. So you can see there, really looks great when you use some inking techniques and you bring out the texture in it. Now, if you are in the All Clubs crate or you subscribe to it, you know that you're getting everything you've seen there plus bonus items of the Spark Pack. So this month, the Spark Pack includes your cardstock that you usually get in gorgeous array of colours, a full die set, and there's those strawberries that you would have seen earlier, as well as a stamp set that can be stamped onto the label of that jar in the extra die set that you're receiving. I especially enjoy the puns that go on that label matching back to the products you can put into that jam jar. So that is everything for this month. I hope you found something you like and something that inspires. But until next time, it's bye-bye for now. See you again soon.